Welcome to Wishlist Guru app tutorial, where we will discuss about different presentation options for your wishlist. You can present your wishlist as a sleek modal where your customer can access to the items they have already wishlist and can easily view their selected items. With customizable grid styles and intuitive search options. The other option is a convenient drawer on the right for quick access, which displays all your wishlist products, showcasing how easily you can get the access of the products in a unique placement side, which provides the user to go for different options. Then there is a full page display with products in which you can view your wishlist standard page. Share your wishlist easily via email, social media platforms, links, and even can copy direct link. This feature is available in modal and drawer as well. Let's see the admin panel to clearly explain how the different presentations of wishlist can be chosen. Here we can choose only one option out of the three options available, that is as a modal, drawer, or as a page. Here also in the settings there are various styles for the wishlist UI type as shown, like the background, color of the text, and many more. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos regarding different features and settings of Wishlist Guru app.